All right, shocking images posted on social media from outside Denver Health. A patient in a wheelchair seen outside bleeding from the head. The original post has been shared dozens of times.
Yeah, a complete stranger was so concerned he stepped up to help. Denver 7's Ivan Rodriguez spoke with that Good Samaritan and pushed Denver Health for some answers.
On his way to pick up a family friend from Denver Health, John DeLeon never thought he'd end up helping a complete stranger.
He looked battered, he looked beat up, he had a big gash on the top of his head.
Denver 7 is choosing not to name this man, seen sitting outside Denver Health in a hospital wheelchair, unresponsive to DeLeon.
You can see all the pasties that they use inside the ER. He had all that stuff on him still. The pictures I took shows the gash clearly open, blood streaming from the gash from the top of his head down his face.
Immediately, DeLeon says he started asking hospital staff who were walking outside for help. He says one hospital employee stepped in.
She came out and we were told that he had been seen in the emergency department and that they decided that they weren't going to see him after all because he was combative, and so they rolled him out to the curb right there and they left him right there.
Eventually, DeLeon says he called 911. In total, he says he was with the patient for about 1 hour.
I had to call 911 and I got the paramedics there, and the paramedics, along with the charge nurse, they finally walked him back in. Yeah. In the same wheelchair that he was on, they rolled him right back into the hospital.
The first time Denver 7 reached out to Denver Health, we were told that due to patient privacy, the hospital could not comment on details, but the patient was in good condition and being treated. During the second conversation, Denver Health revealed the patient was outside waiting for transportation and the hospital cannot stop anyone from leaving.
This is not an opportunity to bang on Denver Health and what they do. I work with a lot of fine people down there consistently on a consistent basis. I just couldn't understand why this man was sitting there today the way that he was.
A shocking sight for anyone to see, regardless of the hospital, but a moment DeLeon doesn't regret stepping in. Ivan Rodriguez, Denver 7.
All right, and digging a little deeper, federal law prohibits all hospitals from dumping patients, and states patients have to be treated in cases of emergency. However, the hospital's obligation ends after the patient stabilized. They do not have to treat patients who don't have an emergency condition. Now, Denver Health did just give us an updated statement about half an hour ago.
Yeah, they told us they really can't provide too many details because of HIPAA, but they said if a patient chooses to leave against medical advice, we are not in a position to give them care over their objection or bring them back into our facility against their will. Denver Health added that if circumstances change and the patient returns and requests care, we are always willing to provide it.